Hi guys, my name's Winston, and today I'm making a baked potato. Yeah, so the first thing you do is pick up the potato, and you open the microwave, and you put the potato in the microwave. Yes, and then close the microwave, and you press. It, my mom, I don't know how to read, but this is okay. So, and it's going to become a baked potato. And it's almost done, guys. Okay, so we finish it. Okay, so now you have to open the microwave, and now you have a baked. What the fuck? No, it's not a baked potato. Oh, this happens every time. God damn it. Oh, mommy.